Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to stop your Android phone from tracking and listening yourself. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Your Android phone comes with several tracking and data sharing features turned on by default. While these features are presented as helpful, they are not essential for using your phone, and turning them off gives you better privacy and control. Start by opening Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Google, which is usually located under Accounts and Backup. At the top, tap All Services to view the full list. Scroll down to the privacy-related options and select Personalize using shared data. This setting allows Google Apps and other services to share your personal data, including location history, searches, and messages. Since this is not required for normal phone usage, it's best to turn all of these off. Now, go back and tap Usage and Diagnostics. This feature sends information about how you use your phone. There's no real benefit for most users, so turn this off as well. Now, go back again and tap Ads. Under Ad Privacy, you'll find options related to personalized advertising. This is what allows ads to appear based on things you search for, type, or even talk about near your phone. First, tap Reset Advertising ID and confirm to clear previously collected data. Then, tap Delete Advertising ID to completely remove the ID tied to your device so ads can no longer be personalized based on your behavior. After finishing the Google section, return to the main settings screen and tap Security and Privacy. Here, tap on Privacy from these options. Now, select More Privacy Settings. Here, tap Send Diagnostic Data and uncheck it and confirm to stop sending usage data to the phone manufacturer or Google. Finally, tap Android System Intelligence. Scroll down and select Clear Data, choose All Time, and confirm. Now, go back to Android Intelligence. Also, open the Keyboard section inside this menu and turn off Smart Text Suggestions, as this feature can analyze your messages to improve predictions and ads. By disabling these settings, you significantly reduce tracking, limit data sharing, and regain more privacy on your Android phone. And that's it. So that's basically how you can stop your Android phone from tracking and listening yourself. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.